Mobility is evolving. Cities are moving toward a cleaner, smarter future.
At Ctrine Engineering, we design and engineer advanced electric mobility solutions.
We engineer systems that make electric mobility reliable.
We focus on performance, efficiency, and real-world impact.
Our work supports sustainable public transport solutions.
We collaborate, innovate, and grow together.
We are Ctrine. Driving innovation, powering progress.